Mike here, The Fresh Rinse. It's Friday. It's a beautiful Friday. It's early in the morning. I'm getting a new package. A delivery. Getting delivery. Watch this. Boom. That's perfect. What do we have here? Such a great day. Oh God, it's hotter than I thought it was going to be. Oh, let's unwrap this bad boy. See what we got. Come on. Oh God. Huh. There we go. There we go. What do they have to put so many staples in it, for crying out loud? Well, it's a big box. Honda. Lord have mercy. Barry Little's pressure washer. Homeboy knows how to package. Looky. Oh my goodness. Barry Little. Somebody said, how much do you like Barry Little? I said, very little. A second. Hold on a second. Hold on. That would have made a great box for something until I went and carved it up. Oh, look at this. Oh, in all her glory. Honda GX 200 AR45 with the skid, aluminum skid. I also have, this is pull start, but I have the electric start. It has already come in. It will go there. And then I have the metering system, the remote control setup, and all the plumbing kit is on its way from Heath Phelps. But oh my gosh. What a great day. Where's my coffee? I don't know if you know this or not about me. But whenever I drink anything hot or cold, if it has a handle, my pinky automatically goes out like that, and my eyes blink. Watch this. Like if it didn't have a handle, or just a regular cup, drinking glass, I could drink it just like, no problem. But every time I drink anything, hot or cold, and it has a handle, my pinky goes out like this, and my eyes start blinking. I can't help it. Watch this. I don't know, it's weird, but I've always been like that. Very, very excited about this. So I will be tearing down the complete rig and installing this, still keeping the 12 volt. I can't talk this morning, I'm so excited. In one of my last videos, I posted my last wash of the year. Well, I've picked up a handful of jobs, so at least 3. And so I need to apologize to the gentleman who contacted me, one of our local guys, who asked if I wanted some more work, but I was in the process of tearing down my rig. Well, my painter contractor gentleman, who I've devoted my everlasting love and loyalty to, contacted me and gave me work. I have to do that work. So I hope you're not offended that I turned down that work. No offense, my apologies. And real quickly, shout out to my friend Barry Little's Pressure Washing, somewhere in Alabama. Same day shipping. Dude, like I purchased it Monday and by noon I had a tracking number. So I'm hesitant to give out prices, but I think they're on his website now. I think he's running a special with the Honda 200 and the AR45 aluminum skid. I think it was $1,550. $1,550. I think that's what that was. I can't remember if that included shipping or not, but who cares? This thing is smoking and I'm super excited. You saw the packaging. This guy is off the hook. So I encourage you to hit up Barry Little's Pressure Washing. I will put a link in the description for you. So Barry, thank you very much, buddy. Super excited about getting this going. This is going to be great. So, all right, Mike, the Fresh Rinse, and I'm out.